In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the flow on your Decent Espresso machine so that it's really accurate. Now, what you're going to need is a cup, a normal gram accurate scale, a calculator or a calculator app on your phone, and your D1 Plus. So let me show you what kind of profile you need to set up to make this work. Go ahead and go into Settings, create a flow profile, and what you're looking for is a flow profile that's consistently at 4 milliliters per second. So you're gonna need a hold stage and a pre-infused stage. So hold at 4 mils per second, no matter how many seconds, it's fine, and then hold. And we're going to make this program longer than we need it because we're going to stop it manually. So hit OK, and now go ahead and start and make sure that you have your scale on and that it's tailored. Now we're going to stop this shot about 10 seconds, just so we don't have to wait too long for this process to happen. So here we go. Okay, so it looks like we did 11 seconds, I'd say. 1 second more right there. We've got 28.7 grams. So 28.7 divided by 11 gives us a flow rate of 2.6, which is definitely slow. So let's go ahead and Settings, Machine, Calibrate, and then here we're going to say that we got 2.6. So here we tap and we type in 2.6. Okay. Hit Return, close that down, done. Okay, let me go ahead and take this glass and start again. Okay, 10 seconds is where we stopped right there. Let's make sure we get this. Well, 10 seconds, that's pretty obviously 6 mils per second. That's the nice thing about doing it in 10. So there we go, tap there. 5.9 is what we got. Done. All right, let's try again. All right, and we seem to be nicely calibrated now, 39.2, and certainly 39.2 is really close to 40, 4 mils per second for 10 seconds. Your machine is now calibrated, and that's how you calibrate flow.